Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about something that I know a lot of people struggle with, finding love. Whether you're single and looking, or in a relationship but not feeling fulfilled, it can be tough to navigate the dating world. That's why I've put together a list of 5 reasons why people might not be finding love, and what you can do to overcome them. Number 1 on the list is lack of confidence. If you don't believe in yourself, it can be hard to put yourself out there and meet new people. But remember that everyone has insecurities, and the key is to focus on your strengths and work on building your confidence. Number 2 is fear of rejection. It's normal to be scared of getting hurt, but remember that rejection is just a part of life. It's not a reflection of who you are as a person. Number 3 is past relationship trauma. If you've been hurt in the past, it can be hard to trust again. But it's important to work through those feelings and not let them hold you back from finding love in the future. Number 4 is being too picky. Sometimes, we can be so focused on finding the perfect person that we miss out on great opportunities. Try to be open-minded and consider people who you may have initially written off. Number 5 is difficulty with communication. Being able to talk openly and honestly is crucial in any relationship. If you're having trouble communicating, try to work on it by practicing active listening and expressing yourself clearly. And that's just a few of the reasons why people might not be finding love. But remember, these are all things that can be overcome with a little bit of work and self-reflection. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, let me know in the comments. See you next time.